Hello.
What are you doing?
Any last words for your brunette friend?
Oh my god! Are you ready?
I don't know, am I? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jen, and today I'm doing something very, very extreme that I have never ever done in my life before. So I decided that I wanted to vlog this day because I just want to be able to look back at it and re-feel what I'm going to be feeling today and what I already have been feeling. So if you know me, which maybe most of you do, I have never dyed my hair any color at all before, so we could safely say that my hair is a virgin. Today is the day. I'm dyeing my hair. And I'm super excited, super nervous, kind of scared. I hope I like it. And I just want to shout out Kelliann. She's going to be doing my hair today, and her Instagram, I'm going to link it down below just in case you guys want to follow her, you guys want to see her work, you guys want to get anything done from her. Her Instagram is Paulina's Hair Couture XO. So shout out to you, Kelly. I'm gonna go pick up some Starbucks right now actually, because Kelly is just setting up now, and once I'm back I'll start filming. Hi Kelly.
Hey!
Thank you so much for having me in your house.
No problem. It's good wearing a mask for your thing, you know.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, okay. I already did part of a video where I told everyone that I'm really nervous because I've never dyed my hair before.
Oh God, what are you doing to her hair?
Balayage. It's gonna be beautiful.
Well, balayage is kind of like a gradual thing, so
Exactly.
So it's not that bad.
No.
yeah, if you don't like it, just I guess.
And it starts below the root, so it's gonna grow out beautiful. You're not gonna have any harsh lines. It's gonna be all blended.
That's good.
Yeah.
I like the blendiness.
Yeah. I've been
How's the
dying.
temperature? My house is like a cluttered mess.
No, it's fine.
I get so much crap
You have no
everywhere.
I was
Central
actually
air.
worried that you guys were gonna have like the temperature in the house like really cold.
Really?
Yeah, because I was like, should I not wear shorts? What if they have like their temperature?
Oh,
like, my
yeah.
temperature is like 74 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You like it hot.
What is that?
That's the Olaplex step 1. This is going to protect your hair as it's lifting.
Okay.
Very good for people who are going from natural hair, who are nervous for any breakage. It's just an extra protectant.
Okay, cool. So you've been mentioning like lifting. That means when the color of the hair changes, right? Or,
Yeah, so the only way to get from dark hair like this to like a blonde color, you need to lift the hair.
Gotcha.
So if you want to go shade lighter, you don't have to lift the hair. But if you want to go anything over a shade lighter, you'll have to bleach and lift the hair.
Okay.
So this just protects it even more.
Okay, got it. Oh man, this is a real deal, guys. Can't back out now.
So you love the short hair, you don't want to go back to long?
I think I'll go back to long eventually, but for now,
Yeah, it's so cute.
yeah.
I have a woman in the office. She donates her hair.
Yeah,
She cuts it like your one. She donates it, and then she just doesn't cut it, and then she lets it get to her.
yeah, I've done that before too. It's really cool.
Yeah, because I always remember you with long hair. Like even in school, you always had long hair.
Yeah, I think that's also like a very Hispanic thing, like having the long hair. You know, it's funny, like I never thought I was gonna do this because I hate doing my hair so much. Like
Yeah.
I just like even curling it, like when I have it long, I hate doing it because it takes so long.
Yeah.
And my hair just doesn't stay because it's like, this is like natural how
Oh,
it
this
is.
is natural?
Like natural.
Wow.
Like, I shower, I let it dry, and this is how it is.
Wow.
So if I, curl it and it's long, it doesn't last too long.
Yeah.
Because the weight pulls it down,
Yep.
and like it just doesn't like to be curled, I guess.
You have
But-
very straight hair.
Yeah.
That's
so,
nice though.
Yeah, it's honestly, yeah, it's very convenient because I don't have to
Yeah.
spend like a lot of time like making it look okay,
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. Sometimes you just need a change,
Definitely. No, this is gonna be perfect. And say you hate it. Say you're like, oh, like what did I do? Like, because some people get like that the first time they do change. They
Yeah.
like freak out a little
It's
bit.
too much. Yeah.
Yeah. You could always dye it back to your natural color.
Oh, okay, cool.
First reaction sometimes, like seeing yourself lighter.
Yeah, I
It's a
feel like
little
that's
shocking. That's why I was like, maybe like don't go so blonde
yeah.
this time.
That's what I was thinking. I feel like I'm gonna like it, but then I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I'm like,
Yeah.
this is not like how I'm used to looking at myself.
Exactly. But you'll like,
But it's also like the same way I feel like I felt when I cut my hair short for the first time.
exactly.
Like I really liked it for a while and I thought it was cool, and then I was like, oh, like I don't know, I'm kind of over it.
But
And
now
then I'm gonna
you're
like
used-
it again.
yeah. Exactly.
I thought the touch up was gonna be like I said, every month, every 2 months. So
Nope. Whenever
that's
you
awesome.
feel like it. That's why a lot of people love balayage, because you don't have to come to the salon so much.
Yeah.
Grows out, blended, and how it looks.
So what's the difference between balayage,
Balayage.
and ombre, like the ombre look?
So ombre is like all solid on the bottom.
Okay.
Balayage is like dimension. So balayage is meant to look
like
like
more
when,
voluminous, kind of.
yeah, when you're like a kid, you know how you get those highlights naturally,
Yeah.
and it looks very like blended and everything. That's
Right.
that's balayage.
Okay.
Ombre is more like you see like brown and then blonde on the ends.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Gotcha.
I mean, some people like ombre, but it's kind of like really.
Like a harsh color change.
Yeah, and it's kind of like it's I don't know. I think ombre looks a little tacky now. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I used to want to do the ombre look because I thought it looked cool like on the ends, but then I was like, they told me I had to bleach my hair, and I was like, nah.
Well, that would have been. Ombre is a lot more damaging too.
Right, because it's just in the ends, right?
Yes, because it's just like putting the lightener on the ends.
So after you're done putting all of this in my hair, how long am I gonna have to sit?
All depends. I'm hoping you lift quick because you're natural. But it could be like an hour maybe.
Okay.
We'll see.
And is there a way to check? Like you would wash to check, or?
I'm gonna, probably every 10 minutes, I'm gonna open the foil and look to see the level that it's at already.
So we're gonna wait probably like an hour, and like you're gonna be checking.
Probably sooner than an hour. You're lifting pretty okay.
Really?
Yeah.
You can already see it?
Yep.
Oh wow. Damn. So the heat helps with
Speed up the process.
Oh.
So putting heat makes it go a little faster. We're home, so we gotta use blow dryer.
What would you use at a salon?
They have like a hair dryer that goes over your head.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The things I get myself into.
Yeah. Right? It's looking really good. Right, now we just wait. I'll put the blow dryer to it like every 10 minutes. I don't wanna
Overdo it?
Doing it so there's gonna be no damage at all.
Oh, sweet. Oh my god, is that the color?
Look, it's getting a little lighter. You could the camera to that. See it a little bit?
Oh my
It's
gosh.
It's lifting.
It's light. Hello? Dude, so am I. But she says it's lifting pretty good.
It's looking pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll see.
Oh my god. Okay. I just wanna see how you're doing.
All right, I'm doing pretty good over here. We're gonna wait like you said 10 minutes or 10 minutes, right?
10 minutes, I'll check again.
Yeah, and she's gonna keep checking to see how the color is doing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Oh. You can see the color a little bit. Go to the back. See this lifting. See that?
See it. I can't
Oh,
see it, but
well, they'll see
I'll
it.
see it in the camera.
They'll see it. You don't have to throw it out yet.
Want me to hold this for you?
No, it's okay. No.
Is this part not lifting as much as the other part?
Well, I did the sides after the back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it has to naturally take longer.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So doing this is just, you know,
Going to speed up
it's
the
almost there.
process. Okay, so what are we doing here?
So we're doing a glaze right now. It's going to moisturize her hair as well as toning it and blending all the highlights more and getting some warmth out. Getting the desired blonde color.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that blonde.
Yeah, looks good. Looks real good. You liking it so far?
Yeah, honestly.
Good.
Looks really cool.
Yeah.
Give you a little dimension, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Not mono.
Tilt your head back a little. Good.
So this goes on all of the head?
Yep.
All of the hair?
We're gonna rinse her out and then put a little conditioner on her and rinse that and that's it.
Shampoo rinse?
Nope, just rinse it till you see no suds and then just condition the ends a little.
Oh, it feels
Is
good.
that
Yeah, it looks so good.
Thin, right?
Wow. Oh my
Nice.
god, Kelly. Thank you
Beautiful
so much.
balayage.
Follow
And, you know,
Kelliann at what is it?
Paulina's Hair Couture XO.
Yes, and I will have the link down below in the description. So, all in all, guys, in review, I think it was definitely worth dyeing my hair. I think a few things that you should keep in mind, though, is really trying to find someone that is willing to listen to you and put your priorities first, because since I was dyeing my hair more than a few shades lighter, I had to basically bleach my hair, which was what I was trying to avoid all of this time. I did want to get an ombre look a few years ago, But when they told me that I had to bleach my hair, I was like, oh no, 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 no. So Kelliann, shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for my hair. Kelliann really listened to me in that I was all right with bleaching my hair, but I didn't want any breakage. Or I've noticed that some of my friends, when they bleach their hair or really dye their hair lighter, or any color in general, their ends are really stiff. It kind of feels like dried up dead grass. So I really did not want my hair like that. I really emphasized that to Kelliann, and she really listened to me. So I'm really, really happy about that, because honestly, my hair still feels natural. The ends don't have any breakage. There was no harm to my hair. So I'm really, really happy about that. Honestly, I love it. Everybody that I know loves it. I might be going lighter, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to let some time pass by to let my hair breathe for a little bit before doing another session. Let me know in a comment down below if you think I should go lighter. It really looks darker, I don't know why, on camera and when there's not a lot of light, but once I'm in the sun or something, it really does look pretty light. So I'm not sure what to do. I kind of want to go lighter since I'm already kind of on the dyeing boat, but I'm not sure what to do. Let me know in a comment down below if you think I should go lighter or if I should just stick to this color. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming with me on my journey and dyeing my hair for the first time. It was great sharing this experience with you. If you like these types of videos, vlog-like videos, please let me know in a comment down below and I'll make sure to make some more of them. I was editing this video a few days ago, the vlog part of it at least, and it was great, like re-feeling everything that I felt. So I'm really glad I got to vlog it, and I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. So make sure you subscribe down below and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.